So, funny story. I have this computer that my mom and dad let me have because they upgraded the computer basically. And the reason for it is the keyboard and mouse were the keyboard had a few buttons that didn't work, and the mouse that was attached to it, yeah, was chipping away. So I initially decided to just take it off, and I was bare, but I didn't like that. So I put this on top of it so it wasn't bare. Yeah. Redneck or DIY with the WHY. So, oh, sorry, dog. You okay? Anyway, so then I decided, you know what, I should upgrade my computer too. And it's pretty plain right now, but better than that. These duct tape and painted cardboard, if you couldn't tell. Maybe I should finish it like with a like a... Nah, that's too much work. I'll just leave it like this. And then use my wireless keyboard and wireless mouse with adapter. I meant adapters. So I added the S at the end. Ignore that. So yeah. Not much else to say.